Good morning, everyone. Namaskar. Namaskar. How are you all? Namaskar, बच्चा. Hello, Vihan, Sindonia, Sampurna, Moksha, Mahia. Nice to see you, everyone. Namaskar, बच्चा. Where is Harshili? ध्यान त्रांबड़िया, ध्यान जकाशनिया, और वेरी गुड जेरिश मश, मंजीत, परम, दिया, या वेरी इज ऑल माय लिटिल लर्नर, माया, स्पीक प्रॉपर्ली बेटा, हेलो बच्चा, I am fine, thank you. I hope everyone is safe and healthy at your home. Welcome to you all our meditation. Okay, everyone. Let's start. Let's start by praying to God, everyone. Are you all ready for the prayer? So for the prayer, prayer के लिए आपको कैसे बैठना है? How to sit for the prayer? Hello, Shrutanvi. Join your hands. Close your eyes. और आपका वॉइस रेज होना चाहिए. रेज योर वॉइस. ओके, जोर से बोलना है. ओके, और क्लोज योर आईज. गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Rub your hands, children. Put them on your eyes. Apply on your face. Slowly. Open your eyes. How do you feel? Feel you fresh? Yes or no? Show me your thumb. Either you feel fresh, so show me your thumb. Happy. Ready? Pull up yourself. Let's do small exercise with thumb. Okay? देखो. Now I give you command. Okay? क्या मैं आपको command दूँगी उसके हिसाब से आपको करना है. In या out. Okay? Now right thumb outside. Right. Left. Right. Left. Cherish, look at here. Yes, very good. Hattie, do according to command. Hattie, do according to command. Yes. Now right. Left. Yes. Right. Vihan, Sindodia. Vihan, you exercise. Left. Right. Left. 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 Right. Both. Now both. Vihan, both thumbs. Vihan, both. Yes, very good. Check for yourself. Very good, everyone. Now let's take turn. Now, today's speech. Hello, Yash. Yash, please turn on your camera. Hello, yep. Namaskar.
नमस्कार.
Namaskar, beta. Okay, beta. Today you have to speak one slok. Okay, Om Bhurbhuva Shva. Only one time and raise your voice. Okay? जोर से बोलना है. पहले से हेलो योर फ्रेंड एवरीवन. हाय करो, आपके फ्रेंड को हेलो करो. नमस्कार.
नमस्कार.
Namaskar. Okay, let's start our today's shlok. Yaksh, close your eyes, speak loudly. Om. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Open your eyes. Clap for yaps, everyone. Clap for yaps. Good try, yeah. Thank you for the lovely shlok. Okay. Bye now. Bye, Yaksh. Welcome, bacha. Okay, now I'll take your attendance. Please write down in the chat box. Yes, ma'am. Okay, everyone. Arna jetlo ja. Arna, are you there? Arna, Ansh Dayani, Arman Jailani, Arth Bansal. Arna Jetloja, are you there? Arth Bansal, Bhavya Faladia, Devika Ba, Dharmik Faladia, Diya Detroja, Tiyan Jakashania, Purva Diya Yes, Dhyan Trambadiya, Dhyan Jakashania, Dhyan Trambadiya, Dibyanshu, Hasili Sethi, Heti Parsania, Jaiveer Singh, Cherish Divani, Manka Sundra, Mahia Patel, Mox Kundaria, Moksha Kundaria, are you there, beta? Param, Purva Detroja, Shreya Thakkar, Sai Manjit. Yes, Moksha. Yes. Thank you, Shreya Thakkar. Shrutanvi, Vihan Dekiwadia, Vihan Singh Dodia, Vihan Dekiwadia, are you there? Please write down in the chat box. Yes, ma'am. Yup. And Sampurna. Yes. Anyone remaining for the today's attendance? Vihan Dekiwadia, are you there? Yes or no? Okay, everyone. So, are you all ready for the today's class? Yes or no? Are you ready all? Jaiveer Singh, Jerry? Okay. So, ready? With your beautiful smile and fresh mind. Okay, everyone? Here I put, Jerry, turn off your camera, beta. Jerry, turn off your camera, beta. Thank you. Sorry, parents. Here I put some sticks. Okay, and you also do this activity with me. Okay, everyone? Everyone do with me activity with any of the things. It is not necessary you can text this candy stick. You can take straw, any paper, tissue paper, right? Okay, everyone? So, let's ready for the small activity. Okay. Are you able to everyone this? Are you able visible and audible this? Sticks. Are you able visible this stick, yes or no? And are you audible my voice? Are you audible my voice? And are you all visible this stick, yes or no? Yes? Okay, let us start. So here I put some stick with written on the number, Okay, everyone, let's do small activity. Here I put, yes, this stick with 12 number, After the 12, which number will come? After the 12, which number will come? Let's choose correct answer from this stick. Yes, 13. Very good, everyone. So let's put it here. Number 13. Okay. Now let's see next number. Here I put, yes, number stick with number 44. So after the 44, which number will come? After the 44. Very good. So which stick we have to choose? With number 45. With written over here 45. So for the 45 we get 14 5 ones. Yes? So here we complete our after number line. Right? Here we complete our after number line. Let's see our next concept. Okay? Here I put stick with number 69. So before the 69, which number will come? Before the 69, which number will come? Yes, 68. Very good. So let's choose this number and put it here. Very good. For their correct answer, everyone. Arth, Jeris, Debyanshu, Harsi, Liman, Yaksh, Purva, Diya, Heti, Moksha, very Mahia, Ansayani, Debyanshu, Shrutanvi. Very good, everyone. And clap for yourself for the correct answer. Okay. Now let's see the next. Here I put, yes, which number stick? Yes, 74. So before the 74, which number will come? Before the 74, which number will come? Yes, 73. So let's pick up this stick 73 and put it here. So before the 74, which number will come? 73. 7 tens, 3 ones, max number 73. makes number 73. Let's see other concept. Okay. Can you see? Here I put two number sticks. Right? So, which concept is this? Which concept is this? Let me know, kids. Yes, between number. Very good, Hetty, Dhyan. Very good, everyone, for their correct answer. And thank you, parents, cooperating with us. Thank you. Clap for yourself, everyone. So, here I put two numbers, stick 8 and 10. So, which number will be coming between 8 and 10? Very good. Number 9. So, we have to select this stick with written over here number 9. And 9 is coming on the place of the ones or tens? Number 9 coming on the place of ones or tens? Ones. Very good. Very good, everyone. Divyanshu, Shrutanvi. Very good. Now let's see next number. Here I put again two sticks with written over written on 98 and 100. 98 and 100. So which number will become between 98 and 100? Very good. 99. So for the number 99, how many gates? Tens and one. How many we have to get for the 99? How many gates? Tens, ones. Yes. Okay. Very good. Hetty Parsania. 99 is the biggest number from 2 digit. Very good. For the number 99, we have gate 9 10 and 9 1. 9 10 and 9 1. Okay, everyone, let's put it here. Okay. So, I hope you understood this concept, this mixed number after, before and between. Any query regarding this concept? Any query, parent, with this concept? Clear this thing? Okay, thank you, parents. Okay, clear, thank you, ma'am. So let's start our today's class work, everyone, with your beautiful smile and yes, fresh smile. So take out, everyone, your worksheet, pencil and eraser and bring on your face beautiful smile. Okay, everyone, this is your maths worksheet. Take out page number 15. Take out page number 15. Thank you, everyone. Okay, first we mention on the top CW. After that, mention today's date. Yesterday was 24. Yesterday was 24. So which date is today? After the 24, which date? Yes, very good, Divyanshu. So today is 25, 25 June and 2021. 25th of the June 2021. Thank you, yeah. Okay. And which day is today? And we have to mention here also today's day. So today is Friday. Friday, Friday. Okay, let's try to this heading. Let's try to read this heading, everyone. Do as directed. Do as directed. And let me know, kid, which topic we have to going to learn today. Which topic we have to going to learn today? Can anyone tell me? Yes? After, before, between. Yes, very good, Divyanshu. Very good, everyone, for your correct answer. Shrutanvi, Jeris, Dhyan, Sampurna, Shreya. Yes, today we have to going to learn all the mixed concept after, before and between. So, Get ready. Okay, everyone. In our first line, here the mention, yes, 46. Which number is this? 46. So, in first row, we have to write here between, after, yeah, before. Very good. But which number we have to write here? After, before, yeah, between. Yes, very good. Before and after. Clap for yourself, Dhyan. So, in the first row, we have to write first the before and then after. Okay, everyone? So, before the 46, which number will come? Before the 46, which number will come? Yes, very good. 45. So, first we write it here, 45. And then after the 46, 47. 47. Next one is 25. Next one is 25. So, before the 25, which number will come? Yes? 2 tens, 4 ones. Which number will make? 2 tens, 4 ones. Which number will make? 24. Very good. So, before the 25. Very good. And after the 25, 26. Clap for yourself, everyone. And thank you for your correct answer. And big hug for you, everyone. Because a mixed concept है, फिर भी आप मुझे अच्छे से answer दे रहे हो. Thank you. And now, the third one, next one is, in this line, which number we have to mention? Yes, after, between, yeah, before. Between number, because already written over here 49 and 51. So, which number will be coming between 49 and 51? 50. Very good. So, we have to write it here. 5 tens, max number 50. 5 tens, max number 50. After that, yes, again, which number we have to write it here? Very good. Between number. Very good, Bhavya. Yeah. So, let's write here 77 is the coming between 76 and 78. Okay, let's see the next. Again, this is a between number. We have to write it here 12. So, number 12 is coming from between 11 and 13. Done, everyone? Done? Itna ho gaya? Everyone, please do with me, and your homework do with your parents. Done? Okay, thank you, Mahia. Mahia always say done, right, Mahia? Okay, now here is mentioned 30. So here we have to write first before and then after. So before 30, which number will come? Yes, 29. 29. And after the 30, 31. 31. Let's see the next. Which number is this? 35. So here also we have to mention before and after. Okay. So before 35, which number will come? Yes. Very good. 34. Right? 34. Very good. And Moksha? Moksha Kundaria, are you there? Moksha Kundaria, are you there, beta? Are you able to hear my voice? Yes or no, Moksha? Okay. Moksha, after 35, which number will come? Moksha, it's okay. It is not necessary on your camera. Moksha, after the 35, which number will come? Mama को नहीं पूछना है बेटा. Tell me. Give me answer by own self. After the 35, which number will come?
36.
Wow, Moksha, clap for yourself. Very good, bacha. Thank you. Thank you, Moksha. Turn off your camera, beta. So we have to write it here, 36. And now, Now I'll ask Arna. Arna.
67.
Hello. Arna, are you there, beta? Arna, tell me please, which number coming between 0 and 2? Okay, everyone, might be some network issue. Please wait a few seconds. Please. Okay. Arna, please tell me which number will come in between 0 and 2. Arya, Arna, are you able to hear my voice? Yes. Which number? No. अच्छे से बोलो बेटा. बेटा आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही है. Can you type in the chat box? 1. Yes, 1. Thank you, Arna. Thank you, beta. Thank you for the correct answer. Thank you. Clap for Arna, everyone. Okay. Now let's go to the next. Arna, turn off your camera, bacha. Heti Pasanian, turn off your camera, bacha. Okay. Now, in this number, we have to write again before and after. So, before 34, 31, and after the 32, 33. 33. Okay. Let's see next part. In this row, which number will become after, before, yeah, between? Which number will become? Between. Very good, Divyanshu. So, which number will become between 34 and 36? Very good, Shrutanvi, Arsili, Heti, Divyanshu, Sampurna. Thank you for the correct answer. 35. 35. And after that, again we have to write here before and after. So, before 10, which number will come? Yes, very good. 9. And after the 10? Yes, very good. 11. 11. Very good, everyone. Next is 68. Before the 68? 16, 7 ones. Which number will match? 16, 7 1. Yes, very good. 67. So, before the 68, 67. And after the 68? After the 68, which number will come? 69. 69. Let's go to the next. Here we have to write between numbers. So which number will come between 98 and 100? Very good. 99. Very good. 9 tens, 9 ones, vex number 99. And 99 is the biggest number from 2 digits. Very good, Divyanshu. Very good, bacha. Thank you. And again we have to write it here before and after. So before 26, which number will come? Very good, Dhyan. 25. Very good, Earth. And after the 26, 27. Very good. Now again between number. So which number will come between 41 and 42? Yes. 40 and 42, 41. So coming from, yes, between 40 and 42. Very good. And again, which number will come? 82. Very good. And between number. Very good. Which concept is this? Between number. So we have to write here 8 tens, 2 ones, max number 82. Next one is, which concept is this? After, before, between. Very good. Before and after. Very good everyone. Dhyan, Shrutanvi, Man. Very good. Cherish. So we have to write it first. Before the 99, 98, and after the 99, yes, 100, 100. Okay, everyone, very good. Divyanshu, Manjit, Man, Dhyan, Arth, very good. And then, which number will come before 45? Again, after and before. Very good. Both numbers are similar. Very good. 44. 4 tens, 4 ones, max number 44. And after the 44, yes, 45. And after the 45, which number will come? 46. Very good, everyone. 4 is your correct answer. Done, everyone? Okay, Manjit, done. Very good. So this is your today's class work, page number 15. Page number 15 in the worksheet. This is your today's class work, and in the textbook, page number 96, this is your today's homework. This is your today's homework. Okay, everyone, first mention HW, date, and then do your homework. Which activity? Between number, after number, and before number. Okay, everyone. Any doubt? Today's class work? Parents, please write down in the chat box. Any doubt for the today's class work and activity? No. Thank you. And please, parents, do every activity at your home with children. बिकॉज आप एक्टिविटी नहीं करवाओगे तो हम लोगों को कैसे पता चलेगा कि उन लोगों को आया है नहीं. यू कैन यूज एनी ऑफ द थिंग्स. इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी कि यू ऑलवेज दोज थिंग्स विच इज द मैम यूज इन द एफसीसी. राइट, आप कोई भी चीज आप यूज कर सकते हो. प्लीज मैम कॉल मी आफ्टर दिस सेशन. जयवीर सिंह, पेरेंट्स, प्लीज मैम, प्लीज कॉल मी आफ्टर दिस सेशन. ओके मैम? ओके. Now please show me your class work. The one, please show me your today's class work.
School talk है.
Very good. Wow, beautiful class work, huh, Jerish? Beautiful class work done by Moksha, Jerish. Yes, very good. Yash, Arna, wow, very good. And your worksheet is very colorful, right? Yes. Kitty Ratri, beta. From your yes, Arth Bansal, very good. Very good, ma'am. Yes. Moksha, very good. Arna, very good, bacha. Moksha, very good. And remaining students, please show me your class work. This is Maya, Hattie. Maya, Hattie. Maya, I want see your class work. And Hattie also. Yes, Arna, where is Maya? Oh, Shrutanvi, very good. Shrutanvi, yes, show me your worksheet, bacha. Yes, very good. Very good, bacha. Very Sampurna class work. Yes, beta. Very good, Sampurna. Shrutanvi, very good. Very good. Where is Harshini? Harshini, show me your class work, bacha.
Very good.
Okay, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed today's session very well and understood this topic. Do a direct after number, between number and before number. We will meet on Monday again with new activity, new content. Okay everyone? Till then, stay home, stay happy, keep smile your face, eat healthy food. Bye, namaskar.
Bye bye.
Bye, namaskar, love you all. Bye बच्चा. माही दिखा बेटा, माही.